Have you ever thought about what that daily $5 coffee is really costing you? I quit Starbucks for 30 days and used that money to buy silver instead. The amount I saved was a pleasant surprise, and you can do the same. Let's break it down. I used to go to Starbucks or one of my other favorite coffee shops every single day, no lie, either in the morning before work or after. And sometimes, I'll admit it, twice a day. $5 here, $7 there. It felt small and harmless, but when you sit down and do the math, it adds up. $5 a day is about $150 a month. That's $1,800 a year just on coffee. Meanwhile, I kept telling myself I can't afford to save money or I can't afford to start stacking silver. I had to be honest with myself. The truth was, my daily coffee spending habit was a wasteful one, eating up money that could have gone into real, tangible wealth by buying some silver. If I'd stacked silver with that money instead, I would be able to buy around 3 to 4 ounces every 30 days or so, just from skipping overpriced lattes. So I quit Starbucks. I didn't quit coffee. I just stopped paying $5 to $7 for overpriced coffee every day. I started brewing my own coffee at home for about 50 cents a cup. And with all that money I saved, I used it to buy silver rounds instead. In just 30 days since I quit buying overpriced coffee, I saved a little over $140, allowing me to buy 4 1-ounce generic silver buffalo rounds. Now I've got tangible wealth in my safe instead of overpriced lattes in my stomach with nothing to show for it. Most people think you need extra money to start stacking silver. Truth is, it's not about having piles of cash sitting around. It's about redirecting the money you're already wasting. Take that daily $5 Starbucks run. Feels harmless, right? But do the math. That's $150 a month just for coffee. Over a year, that's $1,800, enough to buy a serious stack of silver or even cover a big emergency expense. Now, imagine swapping that $5 coffee for a simple 50-cent home brew. You're instantly saving $4.50 a day. That's roughly 3 to 4 ounces of silver every 30 days or so, going into your stack instead of filling your trash with empty coffee cups. But this lesson goes way beyond coffee, guys. It's about spotting any little daily expense that doesn't actually improve your life and turning it into something real, like silver, savings, or some other investments. These small, simple habit swaps quietly build real, tangible wealth over time without you ever feeling broke or deprived. You're just choosing to spend smarter, and your future self will thank you for it. If this made you rethink your daily spending, please hit that like button. Imagine cutting just one wasteful habit and turning that money into real, tangible silver, wealth you can actually hold. Drop a comment and let me know what small expense you're ready to swap for silver stacking. And if you want to start building real savings with silver, grab my free beginner's guide to silver stacking, linked in my channel description. Okay, guys, thanks for watching. Until next time, take care and keep stacking.